Good morning from the Philippines, my friends. Got a little puppy got cut out the gate. Oh no, puppies are escaping. I don't know how he got out. I guess he got out through the bars. Somebody go help the puppy. And mom dog's got a bunch of puppies over there. Alright, Kalamansi to the rescue. Got a dog rescue going on, my friends. There's Kalamansi. She's gonna get him. There we go. All right, we got this. She saved him. All right, folks, we got a box in today from our buddy Lawrence. Lawrence just got the box. What is today? Monday?
Yeah, Monday.
All right, Monday. So we're gonna go ahead and open up this here box. Get my carrot chopper there. Man, this thing's so dull now since Grandma's been cutting cow shit with it. Yeah, baby, I requested the Gerber strong arm, not the carrot chopper. Yeah, what do we have here? Ooh, got some jerky. Oh my goodness, folks! Check that out. Okay, now I remember you said you were gonna send us some sauce. But folks, look at that right there. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Get that jerky.
What jerky?
That smells absolutely delicious. Gonna cut into this guy here. Boom. Right there, folks. Rudy's Sissy Sauce. Rudy's.com. Let's see. Say where it's made. There we go, right there. Distributed by Rudy's Texas Barbecue in New Braunfels, Texas. And man, I used to go to New Braunfels every year and tube down that river way back in the 80s, man. Cut into this guy here. Skin you like I skin that catfish.
That one's not spicy. This one's spicy.
Now there's Rudy's barbecue sauce. Thank you very much, Lawrence, for sending that to us, my friends. Folks, I know I'm a little bit backlit right here. Check that out right there. See if we can get a good close-up of that. Absolutely delicious.
Put in the sandwich.
That's all the time.
Or pork?
A beef jerky, baby. That's delicious, my friend. Thank you very much for thinking about us. And I think we'll use one of these sauces tonight.
Barbecue.
Use a barbecue. Do you think this is hot?
It's hot. It looks like hot because they have chili.
We gotta go get on Rudy's.com. Check them out.
Bisa basa to diri ka. Bisa kuan na. Magistoryahay silang duha. Makita yung kuan ni Forest G. Why kurol. si Nina. Si Nina, ito na day. Ano mo? Boy, purol. Forrest, come here. Asa na yan si Nina? Ayun. Boy, purol lagi. Awan, kunin mo si Nina dito. Forrest! Diri, Forrest! Ate, pailaran din niya. Is that finished?
Yeah, it looks good to me. It's beautiful. You want to get the gloves and dump it out?
Allah!
It don't have to look pretty, baby. Just get it out of there. Smells good.
Really, Daddy?
Yeah.
I smell it too. I don't smell it. Waving the banner of blood to every nation, still rich and poor. Ooh, delicious! Delish. Mommy, I like your food. It's delicious. You're in great chef. We are children of yesterday's dream.
Parot ba? Dal-dal kay dal-dal.
Of course, just going straight after the bread, babe.
Me too. Because Mommy's bread smells good.
Anak, move.
We are the children of yesterday. Here you go, Daddy.
Mama. Yan na.
Bread's delicious.
Yes, sir.
Mama did a good job.
She's a good chef.
All right. Glad you like it, sweet.
Minutot.
Ouch, that
You
hurts.
can ask Forrest next bread. Good.
I think Forrest will get my bread again in my plate.
Sabi ay banana. Dal-dal ay. Huwag, walang katapusan. Dal-dal.
Dad, do you like some bread, Daddy?
You want to put your hair down for the video clip? Okay, anyhow. You look beautiful with your hair down. Folks, something funny last night, right? And I went on Rudy's.com where the barbecue sauce come from, and I'll show some clips of that in just a second. But I wasn't paying attention to what Fatima said when we unboxed the sauce. And she basically, you know, this is the regular barbecue sauce, and this is the sissy sauce. Now, what Fatima said, I just wasn't paying attention. She said, you know, this is the spicy. And she's looking at it, oh, it's got chilies in it, you know, it's spicy. Well, folks, it says sissy sauce. And I wasn't paying attention. So last night, we use the regular barbecue sauce, and I would describe this as like a tangy with a little bit of spice. It's absolutely delicious. I mean, I don't know if you can tell, but we used almost half the bottle last night. You know, put it on the chicken, and then me and Kalamansi sat there and was just soaking it up. This is absolutely delicious. You know, because we've been using that Kraft, so this is a totally different flavor than, you know, Kraft barbecue sauce. So, anyhow, what Fatima was saying was that this is the spicy, and this is why they didn't use this last night. Okay, honey, the word sissy means like, how do I describe the word sissy? You know, oh, you're a sissy, like, no, like you're a girl. Like you're weak, like you're...
You see in here, like, sister, like, that's the short of, I don't know.
I know, sissy is short slang for sister, but it also means like you're weak. The only word I know how to describe is if you call somebody a sissy, it's almost like you're... This is the mild sauce, okay? Not that this is too spicy, but this has a little bit of spice, right?
This one is... Nothing?
Yes, that's the mild sauce. That's the mild version of this one.
Why do you have like chili in here? Red.
Well, they all do, but that's like for you, for the ladies who don't like spicy stuff. But she just didn't understand what the word sissy meant. I didn't pay attention. So tonight we'll use the sissy sauce, and then she'll eat it, right? Because she doesn't like anything spicy. But
just the same way, good.
Just so cute. Good morning, Maria Mercedes.
Good morning.
Folks, here's my Maria Mercedes getting ready for school. And she's only got a few more days of school. And then that's the end of school for her kindergarten year. Are you ready for graduation? Yes? No? So what they've been practicing for days now is just their graduation dance. You're going to do a dance and sing a song?
Only a dance.
Only a dance? No singing? Okay, so she's only got a few more days to hang out with her classmates before summer break. Right, sweetie girl?
Dad, which one's the Chloe?
Is it this hand? Ah! Shout out to my buddy Lawrence, man. Thank you very much for thinking about us in the care package. And again, tonight we will use the mild sauce to see if Fatima likes
You have
it.
like spicy, but
I'm not trying to make fun. Grandma don't have any teeth, but Grandma did her best to nibble on that jerky yesterday. You're laughing, I'm not.
oh, you're laughing too. My God.
All right, folks. Ooh, look at them ribs. There's Rudy's Real Texas Barbecue, where the sauce come from. And I guess they started out just north of San Antonio. And there's the rubs and everything. And let me come here to shop. Let's see, sauce and rubs. And we'll come down to the sissy sauce. You basically need to take a break from the heat. Very similar to the original, but with a little less heat, become a crowd favorite. So that's probably what Fatima is going to go for right there. We're going to try that tonight. The sissy sauce. And what I was looking at, they got a lot of locations here. Arizona, Colorado, even Panama City Beach, New Mexico, and of course, well, Oklahoma, and then a bunch of locations across Texas there. So anyhow, that's where the sauce comes from. If you want to give it a try, it's on time for us. And again, thanks to our buddy for thinking about us. Oh my goodness. I'll tell you what, folks, you know, the one true thing I miss about living in Barrio Barreto is Texas Joe's barbecue over there on Subic. Because if you really want a taste of America, now look, I'm on Rudy's Real Texas Barbecue right now. But you know what? Boom. Texas Joe's, the original real American smokehouse in the Philippines. That is one great thing I miss about living in Barrio Barreto. You can pop over there, onto the base, the old base, SBMA, whatever you want to call it, and get some real American barbecue. And there you go, there's a map right there. Texas Joe's House of Ribs. You know, I'd hate to even see what it looks like now with all the U.S. military coming back, and I don't get too far into politics. I'm trying to talk about barbecue. We probably wouldn't even recognize that place over there now. There you go. There's the menu right there. And if you're sitting over here watching this, what do we usually used to go with? We used to go with, there you go, Tennessee Trio. The Tennessee Trio combo meal. Let's get the spare ribs, beef brisket, and then the chicken. Comes with 2 sides for $9.29. I'm not sure if they went up on the prices or that was the prices all along. Anyhow, folks, sitting here, had some great barbecue chicken last night thanks to that sauce. And here I am dreaming about Texas Joe's, trying to get the full meal deal. Ooh, look at those nachos. Alright, folks, anyhow, I'm out of here. Thank y'all for watching. We'll see y'all on tomorrow's show.